Hi again. In this video, we'll do a follow-up on the add a shared view on your website video I posted. This is going to dive into making your page password protected on Wix, and also we'll look into how it really looks from your phone. Let's dive in. All right, so let's talk about how we can protect it so not just anyone can see this. So if I went over to my pages and manage pages, I was actually able to just hide this, so it's not on my main website. It's not one of the tabs that someone can just click on. If you'd like to take it a step further, you can come over here to settings, and then permission, and then you can make this a password holder. You can create that password, let's just say 123, and that will save here. And we'll want to publish. Okay, so before they could just come to tcbyjosie.com/YHT and have access to this, but now that I've published, I'll refresh and it's going to ask for a password. So I put YHT test 123 and they have access. So that's point number one. You can either hide it so it's not visible on your site, or you can take it a step further and create a password in the permissions for it. So now let's jump onto my phone and see how this all looks from your phone. Okay, now from my phone, I went to the same website, tcbyjosie.com/YHT, and then YHT test, 123. And now I can view it this way. It actually doesn't look like that view that we expected. Just know that it does bring in whatever you have as the first, second, and third columns as the main kind of what it looks like. So we have the contract title, which is always, for me, it's the seller's last name to the buyer's last name with our client in all caps. Yours might be just the address. So the address is showing, the closing date is the second column in that view, and then the compliance status is the third column in that view. When they click into it, they're able to scroll all of that information. I did go ahead and add like who the sellers were, the buyers, lender, seller agent, buyer's agent. They can't click on these, but what you'll want to do is actually have the pieces of that information. Maybe have the linked record like I have here, but right below it or after it, have their phone number and email address as a standalone field. And I'm pretty sure that you'll be able to have them click at least the email address in case they wanted to send an email. But yes, this is what it looks like on the phone, password protected.
Thanks for joining me. If you find any value in my content, be sure to like and subscribe. It'll get in front of more people and you'll get notifications when I post more videos. If you need any help with software, systems, tools, feel free to go onto my website, www.𝗀𝗡𝗏𝗄𝗏.com, and I am happy to help any way that I can. I'll see you next time.